All right, I'm sorry.
I feel.
I didn't mean to tell you what to do.
I'm working.
Okay.
Landon, what are you doing? You riding your pony?
You can be a jockey one day? Go ahead.
He doesn't like it with the sound on.
Go. You can do it. Why'd you squeeze it?
Landon, rock, baby, rock, rock. Look, it's done.
It's all done. Go. You're going to lose the race. Hurry up.
You want to push it again so you get angry?
Go, baby, go.
Go, go, go. Push him.
Go. Go. Go ahead. Go. You got it.